Heckler's known for marrying aesthetics and technology and simplified installation solution. Heckler's been in business since 2008, and all of our products are designed and built in Phoenix, Arizona. We make solutions for permanent installations, mobile applications, as well as express install room systems. Our express install systems are designed for rapid deployment, so one person, one room in less than an hour, no additional trades, no wire pulling. This is the tabletop version. It's able to mount displays from 42 inches to 55 inches. And we have a series of slots down here on the base that are designed to handle metric 4s. So obviously in this case, we're mounting a meet-up 2. And the base itself is raised at about 1/8 of an inch so that we have some cable pass-through to get a nice, neat design. It doesn't take up any space in the room. We don't want to encroach on a space in an already small room. So we designed this tabletop system to do just that. And there's room for the Logitech tap as well for control. Then we also have our Express Room mobile cart. This is a very compact design, and we did that deliberately because we wanted this about the width of a standard office chair. So once again, we don't want to encroach on the space in an already small room. So this can literally be wheeled up to the table. So effectively, you're taking the far side and seating them at a seat at the table. This handles displays from 42 inches up to 55 inches, and then has space for, in this case, the Rally Bar and the Logitech Tap control as well. Express Room systems assembled toollessly, so no Allen keys, no screws, nothing like that. This is the device panel, which mounts the display, but it also gives you a place to bundle up all the cabling and the distro and hide everything else behind this rigid PET panel that's made from recycled plastic bottles. This is our rolling stand for the Logitech Rally Board 65. The base assembles toollessly. It's got a nice wide stance, so chair access, and it's height adjustable. So you got about 16 inches of height adjust, which can be done from a seated or a standing position. Our designers created these uprights that have a setback design, and what that does is it keeps the weight of the display straight over this main load-bearing beam, so you have a very, very sturdy cart. This is our AV Lectern 4U. The odds aren't good for furniture that doesn't adapt to change. The whole idea behind our Lectern series is that if the needs of the customer changes, our Lectern can change along with them. So for instance, we have these console inserts that customize the work surface. Any number of different technologies, control, transmitter chargers, whatever the instructor might need, that can be swapped out easily. If they go from Shure to Sennheiser, they don't have to break out a saw, they simply get another module for it. Under the hood, there's 4 rack spaces, 2 and 4, and plenty of space to bundle up cabling and all the other breakout boxes that goes along with instructor-based meetings. On the front, you can configure this any way you want. There's multiple choices you can make. This is very mid-century modern, traditional looking. You can make it look super modern if you want. But you can also remove the front modesty panel and replace it with the display. Now any number of digital signage options are yours, whether it's a language interpretation or if you're having a symposium, you can show multiple logos. All that's available to you on the 4U Lectern.